A powerful earthquake suddenly strikes Venezuela. Building collapse, people run for their lives, phone network go down. But here is the unbelievable part. Before rescue teams even reach to the disaster zone, scientists of United States have already estimated how many people may have died, how much economic damage of the quake could cause, and whether the world should prepare for a humanitarian crisis. How is it possible? The answer is USGS PAGER, one of America's most advanced earthquake assessment system. Today we will discuss about USGS PAGER. What is USGS? The United States Geological Survey or USGS is a scientific agency of United States government. It was created in 1879 and operates under the Department of Interior. Unlike agencies that enforces law or provide emergency response, USGS focuses on the missions of understanding the world. Its scientists monitor the earthquakes, volcanoes, landslides, water resources, wildlife, minerals, climate, or geographic mapping. Its headquarters is located in Reston, Virginia, with major scientific centers across the states including California, Colorado, Alaska, Washington, and Hawaii. USGS operates the world's largest earthquake monitoring network. Every day, it records hundreds of earthquakes from tiny tremors or no more feels to the devastating disaster that makes global headlines or prompt assessment of global earthquake for response. Think of an early earthquake prediction system. Within minutes after a major earthquake, PAGER automatically estimates the possible death, number of people exposed, the economical losses or building damages, humanitarian needs there. Instead of waiting for some days, PAGER provides an early scientific estimation that the government can use. This can help in the emergency response system. Should they send rescue teams? Should international aid be requested? Is the disaster likely to become a national emergency? Or minute later, PAGER helps save those minutes.
How does PAGER work? Here's what happens after an earthquake. Step 1. It gives general information after an earthquake that this give a general idea what the position or depth, for example dash. Asterisk altitude. Asterisk depth. Asterisk epicenter. Asterisk wave movement. Within seconds, this information reaches USGS computers. Step 2. Powerful algorithms calculate the earthquake's characteristics. For example, was it a magnitude 6, 7, or over 8? Was it shallow or deep underground? Shallow earthquakes usually cause much greater destruction. Step 3. PAGER combines earthquake data with population maps. It asks, how many people live near the epicenter? Are there large cities? Or mostly rural communities? Step 4. The system analyzes building vulnerability. Not every country builds structures the same way. For example, modern earthquake-resistant buildings in Japan behave very differently from older masonry buildings in developing countries. PAGER uses historical engineering data to estimate likely structural damage. #### Step 5. Finally, artificial intelligence and statistical models estimate, fatalities, injuries, economic losses, infrastructure damage. This entire process often takes less than 20 minutes. Understanding the color alerts. One reason PAGER is famous is its simple color warning system. #green. Little or no damage expected. Few or no casualties. No major international response needed. #yellow. Moderate damage. Some injuries and deaths possible. Regional assistance may be required. #orange. Serious disaster. Hundreds or even thousands of casualties possible. Large-scale emergency response becomes likely. ##red. The highest alert. Catastrophic destruction. Why America created PAGER. The United States realized that emergency decisions couldn't wait for official reports. After major earthquakes around the world, information often arrives slowly. Roads may be destroyed. Power may fail. Internet service may collapse. Governments may struggle to communicate. PAGER bridges that information gap. Instead of waiting hours, decision-makers receive scientific estimates within minutes. This allows faster rescue operations. Earlier humanitarian aid. Better international coordination. Smarter disaster planning. Today, organizations including governments, humanitarian agencies, insurers, researchers, and emergency managers rely on these rapid assessments. Chapter 7, Limitations of PAGER, 940 to 1050. Even advanced technology has limits. First, PAGER does not predict earthquakes. It only analyzes earthquakes after they happen. Second, early earthquake information can change as more seismic data becomes available. Initial estimates may be revised. Third, building quality varies greatly, even within the same city. A newer earthquake-resistant building may survive while an older structure nearby collapses. Finally, economic losses are estimates, not exact numbers. Weather, fires, landslides, tsunamis, and aftershocks can all increase the final damage beyond the initial. Earthquakes remain one of nature's most unpredictable disasters. But thanks to the work of the U.S. Geological Survey, the world no longer has to wait days to understand the scale of a catastrophe. Within minutes, USGS PAGER transforms seismic data into life-saving information. It helps governments act faster. Rescue teams respond sooner. And humanitarian organizations deliver aid where it's needed most. While no technology can stop an earthquake, better information can save lives. And that's exactly what PAGER was built to do.